Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to repeat last action in Microsoft Excel quickly. We will use the F4 shortcut key for this purpose. If I use any command and I want to repeat this command again and again, we can use the shortcut key F4. Just look at here. I just use the command fill and I want to repeat this command here. Just press F4 key, it will repeat the last command. I just select this cell and press F4. Now it will repeat. If I insert the row, just right click here and insert and click entire row. It will insert a blank row and I want to repeat this last action. Just press F4. Now it will again insert the row and press F4. That's way you can quickly repeat last action. It is very time saving tricks to repeat last action. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.